This tutorial is about Google Drive. Google Drive is web-based, so you can access it from anywhere. It is a great resource for storing and sharing information. You must set up an account and log into that account. On Google Drive, you can create folders to organize files. Other folders can be created inside of those folders to further organize your files. Folders can be shared with others. You can set it so others can view only, or you can give them editing privileges. Editing rights allow for collaboration among teachers. Google Drive allows you to upload almost any type of file. Some you will not be able to access without the proper programs, such as flip charts, but you can store all your resources on Drive. Drive folders can also be linked to your website, so what goes in that folder is uploaded on your website. My newsletter folder on Google Drive is linked to my newsletter page on my website. I drop my newsletter in the folder and it uploads to my website. Drive can be a very useful tool for teachers.